Alright, so in this video we are gonna do two things. We're gonna be able to toggle light, where you're gonna say user, and then we're gonna say like, and then we're gonna say toggle likes, like this. So you can see here, actually we can just go in and do something like this. So if we go and put everything like this, that will then go in to get the post here. But before we can do this, we need to do a couple of things. We first of all need to find the user. The way we can find the user is by going in like we have done before. Just go in and basically just include these two here, and then also remember to use this one up here. We're gonna use this one here so it will not give any errors. We're just basically including the library there. So now that that's done, we can say user is equal to, and then we want to get the current authenticated user by the VueJS token. So we can pass it in like that. Then we want to find a post by saying post find ID, and we want to go in and say use add post, and then we want to return response with some JSON, and in here we want to return likes, and the likes we have gotten is basically just gonna be likers get from the post here. So we're gonna go in and basically just be like this. So of course we're gonna change this one here to post, and then it will get all the likes. And in here we are basically just gonna go in and do the same thing. Now before we go do that, we just need to be sure we have a post and user. Just be sure both of them are gonna be authenticated, and we're gonna pass this one in here as well. So in the case this doesn't exist, we're gonna return response with JSON root error, and the root error is gonna be could not find the post, or user wasn't authenticated. So now that that's done, let's go in and basically copy and paste this here. We want to go in and we want to pass these two in here as well, and only difference we want to do is we don't want to toggle any likes here. We just want to return the likes, and we don't want to check the user. So we can pass it in like this, because we are not gonna find any user here. We're just gonna return all the likes from one post, and that's actually all for the backend so far. So in the next video we are gonna set up the front end, or actually no, we are gonna test this, and then we're gonna set up the front end, where we are gonna use VueJS, and we are gonna use the one that comes with Laravel by default. So we are gonna go all the way inside resources here and fix these things here. One thing we can do before we pass on is we show inside our routes in the web here, we pass this on here, and we want to just rename this to index, and that should actually be all. So in the next video we're gonna test things, and then we're gonna set up the front end, and see you in the next video. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna show how to upgrade this to Laravel 6. I'm gonna create videos about it, but the issue is it's gonna be a lot of changes to the code to upgrade to Laravel 6. Might do that in the future, but at the moment it's only gonna be Laravel 5.8. It's gonna be upgraded to. So stay tuned for this channel to watch some Laravel 6 videos as well, and hit the like button and click the subscribe button.